Welcome to Business Development Basics. I'm excited to guide you through this course where you'll learn how to spot opportunities, build relationships, and create strategies that drive growth. This course is designed for entrepreneurs, professionals, and anyone who wants to understand how businesses grow, whether you're launching a startup or working in an established company. Here's what we'll cover together. Module 1 is your introduction to business development. In Module 2, we'll dive into understanding the market. Module 3 is all about building a growth strategy. In Module 4, we'll get practical with business development tools and techniques. Module 5 focuses on sales and marketing alignment. In Module 6, we'll work on communication and relationship building. Finally, in Module 7, we'll measure success. By the end of this course, you'll have a complete foundation in business development, from strategy and tools to communication and growth. Most importantly, you'll have the confidence to apply these skills in the real world. So, let's get started on your journey into the world of business development.